So the next module that we're going to be talking about is the tabs module. If I click on new module, and then from this drop down I scroll down to tabs, I can then give this a name and click submit. So let me show you an example of what the tabs module looks like. If I go over to the community engagement page, and then if I scroll down here, you see about halfway down the page they have this section here with all these descriptions and all this text in here. So this is using the tab module to where a person can then click on each one of these tabs and then the information will appear. So this is a good example of how to use the tab module. And let me show you how to actually create one. So if I go back to the page that we're working on, and now I'm going to click on the button here that says Add Panel. And then from here I can make a title. So let's call this CMS 201 Training. And then here's where I could type in the content. So I've added in some text here, and then I'm going to click on the Submit button. So now you see that I have one tab created. So I'm going to create a couple more tabs here. And now you can see I have 3 different tabs that I've created. So now I'm going to add these tabs to a page. So let's click on Content on the left-hand side, and let's click on Edit on the modules. And now we're brought to this page here. So I'm going to click on the Modules button in the bottom right-hand corner, and then I'm going to scroll down until I see the CMS 201 tabs that you see right here. And I'm going to click on it, and you can see that it adds it to this page. So now I could also, if I wanted to, click on it and resize it to reach the width of the page. Now the next thing that I want to do is I will want to click on the Edit button for this particular module, and then I will want to place a check in front of which tabs I want to display. So you can see here, these are the 3 tabs that I've created, and I want all 3 to display. So I've created those, and now I'm going to hit Save Changes. So let's take a look and see what we've done and do a preview draft. So now you can see in the preview draft that we have the tabs module here, and then we have the 3 different tabs that I've created listed right there. So that's the tab module. Easy way to create content and have users have to click and view different information.